So this is Jaime Alcaraz that we're waiting on. Mr. Canales, and then after that, we'll be finished, correct?
Yes, Judge.
I'm not holding my breath how long this. Okay. We're now live on YouTube, by the way. Hey. Okay. Not over there. Okay. Yes, sir. Oh, okay. Comment. Hey, what happened to comments? Comments? Okay. ¿Dónde comments? ¿Dónde puedo llamar? Okay, run it. Run it. See, run it. Yeah. See, run it. Yeah, there was something. They're all coming from the front. Okay. Okay. And she goes on. Yeah. You don't think? No, it's not there. Just can't get rid of you today, Abrams.
It looks like it, Judge.
Well, I have Mr. Jorge Canales confirmed with his client, and I'm told they use a Spanish speaker.
We're gonna need to set the interpretation function again.
Yes, sir.
I'm sorry.
So, Renee, does she need to go in there? Well, I know Jorge speaks Spanish, but did he
No,
request that he
no, she doesn't, Judge.
Okay,
I just
okay.
wanted to have her whenever they're done
for
with
the
the paperwork.
interpretation for the
Ready.
plea? Okay.
You can set the function again, Judge. I'm sorry.
Do I have to do that whole thing again with the button?
Yeah, every
Ah,
time I
come
leave, you have
on,
to.
man.
I know.
Life is so hard. God. Okay. 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 Stop. Sí. Pero ya van a dejar ir, ¿no? Okay. Okay. Mhm. Okay. Soy residente. Sí. Mhm.
No. Es la primera vez. I can hear you yelling first. No, it's not a guilt. Okay. Está bien.
Okay, Mr. Canales, you ready? You're
The
on mute.
officer said they couldn't find my paperwork. And I thought it was all set.
Send a reminder.
Do you have the interpreter?
Yes, we have the interpreter, Jorge. You need to just go over that paperwork with your client. He's gonna send you a reminder to your email.
Yeah, I already signed it, Judge. I just have
Well-
to get his signature, because they say they couldn't find it.
Well, let's see if we can get it back to you. Hold on.
Okay.
Let's see.
I got an Alcatraz Joshua. That's it. That's him. That's him? Yeah. I asked him earlier, he didn't say it. Okay. Says it's already been signed.
How are y'all doing? All right. What do y'all want to know? What do y'all want to, do you have any questions?
Judge, has the paperwork come through on your end?
There's nothing on my screen.
4 different states of what she religion. There's,
And
that's where she takes a card from some guy. Some of the facts are, she takes, a guy calls the cops, and says she left the house and she has my keys and she has my.
let me check my email.
She's gonna steal my car and stuff, so
Hey, who am I overhearing there?
for things. Well, the next day, his car's just.
Nothing's coming up.
So Alex, is he getting his paperwork on the screen now?
Nothing's come up yet, Judge.
Pardon me?
Nothing's come up yet. I'm trying to find it.
Okay.
Gmail.
Should be in your Yahoo, Mr. Canales.
Jorge, Jorge, do you see it on your Yahoo account now? Okay, I don't see that he's in the breakout room with his client. His screen is dark on my screen.
Out, Judge. That's why his phone is off or dark.
What was that?
I said maybe he's filling out the paperwork. Maybe that's why his phone
Maybe
is
he's,
dark.
yeah, I hope.
Hopefully. If not, may probation be excused?
No, probation has to stick it
Ay.
out forever. Yeah, you can go. Thanks. And I signed whatever it was you needed me to sign for you too, Alex. So get out of here where you can.
Yes, I have to get going. I have to go
Okay.
downtown to the main building probation. Okay.
Uh-oh, too bad for you. Sorry.
Yes. I'm not in trouble though.
Okay,
Okay, thanks. Bye.
Later,
see you
General.
later. Bye.
What, Ramirez? Bye.
Bye, Alex. It looks like you just opened up the plea paperwork, Judge.
So, Rennie, can you tell that it's okay that's working on it now, or what's going on?
Yes, he looks like he looks like he opened it. He's viewed it, but he hasn't signed anything, Judge.
You? Yeah. It's you? Joshua. I even know how to. Look at it, it's up.
I mean, it's what's going on.
Waiting for the paperwork.
Jorge Canales, unmute. Please tell me what's going on.
Yeah, yeah, he's on.
Canales is on the paperwork. What? In the meantime, Sunad, are we okay on all our paperwork?
Yes, Judge, I have everything.
So we're just waiting on Mr. Canellas and his client, right?
Yes.
Okay.
He's signing it now, Judge.
Well, he still has to go over with his client now, right?
Yes, I believe he does.
And I don't see him on my screen at all anymore.
I'll give him a call, Judge.
Okay, Jorge, have you got your paperwork done now? You need to go over it with your client now?
Hey, the paperwork should be in, that's what it does. It's telling me all set.
Okay, Ramirez, can you check to see if you can get the client in front of that paperwork with his lawyer? You're muted, Alec. No, you're not muted.
He's expecting this.
Mr. Canellis, have you talked to your client already about the case?
I've talked to him, but we haven't gone over the paperwork. He hasn't signed anything.
Oh, I understand that, but did you already talk to him? Do you want me to have him sign it over here, or you need to talk to him in the
We couldn't find the paperwork.
Well, it's here right now, but my question to you is,
Yeah,
do you
no,
want me?
no, I spoke to him. Yes, yes. He has to sign.
Yes, sir, I
He's already
understand.
agreed to everything.
You're stuck with what you find. If the judge decides not to follow it, say no thank you. They were back on for trial. So we don't usually. Are you a citizen?
Ramirez, why don't you put him in a breakout room with his lawyer?
All right, sir.
Take it.
21.
You will have the right leaders.
Thank you.
It's not roof.
I don't know what it is. Yes, it started leaking yesterday a little bit.
Sorry to make you wait so long, Arlene.
Drip, drip. Hey.
No problem, Josh.
Okay.
Okay, Is he in the breakout room already?
Yes, they
Okay,
are,
so
Judge.
Canales is in the breakout room with his client, so maybe
this.
I'll get it signed now.
Okay.
We'll see.
Put it there. Right there. Okay,
Judge, you want to get the interpreter?
I don't have paperwork on my screen. We have the
It should be
interpreter
good
here.
right now.
Huh?
It should be coming to you in a minute.
Hadn't come yet.
Okay, I just sent it.
Okay, well, it's crawling through cyberspace. Not on my screen yet. Everything has been slow here this last 30 minutes. Okay, I have Mr. Canales. I'm still waiting on the paperwork.
He just signed, the officials send it over.
Okay. It has not hit my screen yet.
Good. Okay.
Is there any particular reason I'm not getting the paperwork on my screen, Randy, or is
You check, Judge.
And then we'll start with probation. Like I said, it'll be a monthly check-in. You'll pay some money, we'll find some in your classes. Okay, and then you'll just report when you're done with the person. If you need any permission to travel, the information if you go. Let me know how to get some change.
There's nothing on my screen. Can you double check at his computer? Ramirez?
Yes, Judge.
Okay, I just got it.
I thought.
Okay, I'm pulling up the paperwork on my screen.
To
Do I
set.
need to do the interpreter thing all over again, Arlene?
Yes, Judge, I'm sorry. Yes, you do.
Okay, let me see. Go to interpretation, manage my language interpretation. Gotta retype in your name all over again, Arlene.
All over.
Interpreter, updates. Now I'm hitting English. Okay, is it working over there, Ramirez, Alex? Okay,
Hey.
we're good? Okay, so Mr. Alcaraz, can you raise your right hand for me?
It's funny that you
How about your other right hand?
Oh,
Your right hand, there you go. Do you swear the testimony you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Hey.
Thank you. I'm about to share my screen with you. Please get close to the screen so you can see the screen, okay? Is your name, can you see the screen?
Hey.
Is your name Jaime Navarro Alcaraz?
Navarro Alcaraz.
Are you the same Jaime Alcaraz with this cause number 2025 CC 001129 who's charged with the offense of resisting arrest? Is that you?
Hey.
This case is a Class A misdemeanor. It's possible in this case that you can be punished anywhere from a minimum of 0 days in jail up to 1 year in jail. In addition, there's a fine possible anywhere from $0 to $4,000. Do you understand what you are charged with and what the possible punishment could be in your case?
Mm-hmm.
I need a yes or no answer, sir.
Hey.
I'm looking now at a document entitled Defendant's Consent to Plea by Video that you have signed and that your attorney signed. When you signed this document, you told me it was okay to do this by video. We do not have to do this in open court. Is that correct?
Hey.
I'm now looking at a document entitled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights. And you have signed it and your attorney has signed it.
Mm-hmm.
Did you go over this document with your attorney?
Hey.
Did your attorney explain this document to you?
Hey.
And do you understand it?
Hey.
Hold on, let me sign this document. Are you a citizen of this country?
Soy residente.
You understand that a plea of guilty or a finding of guilty could affect your immigration status in this country.
Hey.
In other words, if you have a green card, it is possible you could lose your green card. It is possible you could lose your right to become a naturalized American citizen. It is possible that you could be deported. Do you understand those three possibilities?
Hey.
Mr. Canales, did you talk to your client about the immigration consequences and does he understand them?
Yes, I did, and I believe he does, Your Honor.
Okay. I'm now looking on my screen at a document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal. You have signed this, Mr. Alcaraz, and so is your attorney. When you signed this document, what you did was you told me, Judge, I understand that if my attorney makes a plea bargain agreement for me with the prosecutor, if you follow that plea bargain, I understand I will not have a right to appeal. Do you understand that, sir?
Hey.
So then, to the offense, resist arrest, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
The difference between that and probation,
No me opongo.
regular probation, you're convicted.
And you understand that on a plea of no contest, the court can still find you guilty. You understand that?
But that case is you for the full year.
Sí.
You mess up or get revoked on probation or something, then they pull it. So.
Mr. Alfred, I'm gonna mute you.
Like carrot stick finger. You just
Never mind, it's not you.
Well, I guess it's just.
I'm not sure who I'm over
I think about the
here.
arguments.
I'm saying they're had like the other day.
It's you, Mr. Canales. I'm muting you because that noise is coming in. All right. Where was I? Okay. You understand that on a plea of no contest that the court can still find you guilty. You understand that, sir?
Sí.
Has anybody forced you to enter this plea?
No.
Are you entering your plea of your own free will?
Sí.
Is there a plea bargain? Can I ask the state to please recite the plea bargain? And I'm sorry if I may have muted you. I
Okay.
did.
Yes, Your Honor. A $0 fine. Court costs 106 days in the Bexar County Jail. Credit for time served, time and money to earn concurrent, and we ask that the judgment be satisfied.
That's your understanding of the plea bargain in this case, Mr. Canales?
Okay. Sí, está bien.
Jorge Canales, unmute yourself, please. Is that your understanding of the plea bargain?
Yes, it is, Your Honor.
Then do you agree with this, Mr. Alcaraz?
Your relationship with the sister son? Oh, that's your sister.
Mr. Alcaraz, do you agree
Sí, yo
with this?
entiendo todo eso.
Okay. Then the court, sir, having heard you plead no contest, on that plea, the court finds you guilty. I follow the plea bargain, sends you to a $0 fine plus court costs, and sends you to 106 days in the Bexar County Jail. I'll give you credit for time served, the time and the money run current, and the judgment is satisfied. Mr. Canales,
Okay.
can you unmute yourself for just a minute? Canales, unmute yourself.
A big thumb, Judge.
Do you know if this is the only thing holding your client?
I'm sorry, Judge, what was that?
Do you know if this is the only case holding your client?
I believe it is, Judge.
Okay, does he have an immigration hold? Do you know?
I do not know that. He's a resident.
Okay. All right, as far as I know, sir, as far as your attorney can tell me, this is the only case holding you, but I can't tell you if you're gonna be released today or not. All right? Good luck to you.
I'm not talking to them. And whatever you're done for your
Okay.
kids,
Thank you.
somebody else.
Okay, Mr. Canales, you can be excused. Thank you. Okay, and Arlene, thank you very much. You can be excused.
Magic words, Judge.
Magic words. I'm gonna turn off YouTube and you're free to go. I'm so sorry about today.
Oh, no worries.
And that the guy that was guilty of doing